New Blitz, number 25. Get it going. D5. Common reply. Reverse Leningrad Dutch system with the white pieces, one tempo up. I'm encroaching on 1500 rating here at chess.com. Got a nice computer to play at. It's pretty cool, but still kind of doing this honestly because it's hard to go anywhere right now. I don't have wheels. But alas, it's chess. It's a passion in life. I have fervor for this game. Pawn phalanx established. E4, F4. He's getting fancy on me already. Getting some space. What you got, home? Me? Wasn't bad. I'm gonna just push that guy back another square. Because I can. I'm gonna kind of make his knight move back. Anything that can make it so if he plays b6, it's harder for him to win the game is good. So knight c4, and also looking at the d6 square, b6 is replaced by the c7 pawn. Ooh. And he can't do that because come in there. Win the pawn on b7. I love that because if my b4 pawn gets liquidated, I have a really strong diagonal for my bishop. Go ahead and take on c3, so... yeah! No, knight e4 is looking like a trump card for me. Oh, he honestly... Oh, he's trying to do that. Pretty good. Good player. Castle. He's finally bringing that knight back in the game. Now last, I'm going to pressurize that pawn on c3 again. This is fine for me. Even with the fork. I'm going to get going with this pawn down here. And it's queening on the square a8, which my bishop is influencing. And my bishop is a very great piece. Looks fine for me, this game. Not worried about stuff like, you know, oh, you're gonna lose that pawn, dude. All that shit, Holmes. You know, he's got a rook in the corner he hasn't developed. And I'm gonna get another pawn to a queening square protected by another minor piece. It's endgame pressure. If you look at new world championships, they're doing this like right now, getting pawns down and winning that way. See, look at that. I get my exchange back. Be able to protect and serve. Bishop's a hero. Well, ain't that nifty? A7. Rook can't take because the bishop was blocking that rank. Yasa. 1526. Getting greedy winning exchanges on the queen side when his king side's not developed and his king's in the center. Start attacking. Rook d6. Nope. Rook d4. Queen takes c3. Not sure what he's getting at here. What are you saying to me, Jodas? 1526, Jodas. What are you saying to me, Jodas? Oh, you're gonna let your time run out? Got you all your material. Thank you. Good guy.